This is a fully working quest system, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make it in a simple and expandable way. Before we script, make a module for your quest data and place it in replicated storage. Also place a remote event there. Another thing, make sure to have a GUI with a progress bar that at least has these three. To make this easier, I'll split the scripts up. Get replicated storage, the module, and the event. Make this function that gives the quest. This one for updating progress. This section mostly handles rewarding the player. Now on the client, get these. The function will be used to update the GUI. This is where you will handle the inputs of your quests. So basically detect when something occurs. And this is where you detect signals. Now we catch the event, which will update the quest on the server. Last step, call the give quest function. And as you can see, it works. Subscribe and like for more on the road